Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Maggie. Please like and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to book for a visa interview. Hi, so before you come to this page, I assume that you have submitted your online application. So once you submit your online application, you are going to book for a visa interview. So initially it used to be in the embassy, but nowadays it is in the TLS centers. So they work on behalf of the embassy. So these are the centers that are located in Nairobi. It is in Westlands, that's 9 West building, between Westlands and Parklands. So that is their timing. So what to do, you click on book for an appointment. It's going to bring you to this page. So let's wait as it loads. So this is something that you can be able to do on your own. You don't need to pay anyone. It's very easy. So once the page opens, you are going to input your details. Please note again, you're supposed to book for an appointment when you have submitted your documents already online using, this is for French, but most of the Schengen interviews you are going to do on the TLS centers. Okay, so once the page populates, you are going to see the steps that you're supposed to follow. So the first step is you should have submitted your visa application online. Then you need to create an account with the TLS contact center. On this page, if you check on top, there is login and register. If you don't have an account, please click on register. If you have it, please click on login. Then you are going to book an appointment on this still page. So you are going to input the time that you are available, and make sure that when you book for the appointment, you should have your documents ready as well, printed copies. Okay. So here now, it also shows you like after 1 week or maybe after 1 or 2 weeks or more. It depends with the type of visa that you have applied for. You will receive a notification that your visa is ready or your passport is ready for collection. They don't mention the visa actually. They'll let you know that your passport is ready for collection. So once you go to the TLS, they'll give you choices. Do you want to come and pick your passport, or would you like to be sent to your home? You have to pay for, a little bit of charges on that. Or do you have a representative that's going to pick it for you? So you are going to choose. That is up to you. Continue. So this is a page that whereby you are going to check on it. So you are going to click on register. That is if you don't have an account already, or click on login if you have applied before with the TLS. Okay. So once you click on register, you're just going to put the normal questions like enter your email address and enter your password. Then consent to what is below. It's going to populate this page. So this is a page whereby you are supposed to input your personal details as well. So I already have an application, so just assume and I'll create a new one. You input your name right there. Then you choose the country that you are in. So for me, I'm going to choose Kenya. Then I'm going to confirm. Okay. So once you confirm, it's going to populate another page whereby you're supposed to input country code, so that the system can be able to give you direction to where you're supposed to go to do the interview. So I've put Kenya for as KE. Then I'll click on search. So this is the map. Then you click on above where it's written list view. It's going to show you where the office is located actually. So 4th floor, 9 West building, that is in Westlands, Parklands. Then you click on continue to go to the next page. So the next page is whereby you're supposed to input your personal information, the details, but also you're supposed to go through this one. So this page will help you read, know what is required of you, if you need to carry anything, what are the services provided there, what are the new news about visa application process. So it is important to go through that one if it's your first time. Okay, so if you click on continue, it's going to process another page. So in this page, you can create a new application. That's what I did. So I'm selecting for the one that I've created already. Then from here, you can input your personal information. So for me, I'm not going to input anything because I'm not opening an account now. I'm not applying, so I'm just doing these ones for people who want to apply for the visa, so that you have a rough idea that this is something that you can be able to do on your own. So after this, I'm going to create another video of what is required of you, or the questions that you'll be asked during your interview. And it's also good to believe in yourself, because these are not hard questions. You can be able to do it if you're doing the correct thing. So you just input your personal details here. Then after this page, it's going to populate another page whereby you're supposed to book for the dates that you need to go and do the interview. After that, you're going to get reminders until you go for the interview. So best of luck. It's not hard. Believe in yourself and you can be able to do that. So goodbye.